Bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to Nouveau CL French Academy. In today's session, we will be going to start with lesson 4 of Apprenons le Français chapter 0. So, in lesson 4, we are going to learn basically the adverb, nationalities, adjectives singular and plural. Fourth, adjectives comes before and after the noun. So guys, basically I have taught each of these topics in my different sessions. I will give you the link below in this description. So to know about each one of this topic full-fledgedly, go and watch that videos first and then come to this video, because in today's session I will be helping you with the subjects, basically the exercise of lesson number 4. Okay, so let's start. So we will be working on the exercises now. So as you can see in question number 1, it says complete the puzzles using the feminine form of the words given. So here you can see the nationalities, the adjectives, the nationalities, adjectives are given to you in masculine form. You have to change that in feminine form. Okay, so we'll do that later. Now first we will be doing question number 2. Okay, so what you have to do here, basically the name of the country is written. You have to write the nationality and the country name in French. Okay, so let's start with first. Charles habite en dash, il est dash. So here you need to write the name of the country in French and here the nationality. So what is the French word for England is Angleterre. Angleterre. So it's Angleterre. And the people who lives in England will be Anglais. Anglais. And if it's for feminine, it is Anglaise. So for knowing the full-fledged video and full-fledged knowledge of nationalities, go and check the description box first and click on the link which is mentioned there. Go and actually learn that nationalities first, then come to this video. Okay. Nous habitons en dash, nous sommes dash. So it's India. So we live in India. They live in nous habitons en means we live in dash. India, how will say India? And. Nous habitons en Inde. And nous sommes Indiens. Nous sommes Indiens. Plural. France. Marie habite en France. Elle est française. Extra E because it's feminine. Elle est française. Okay, now in Saudi Arabia. How we will say that in French? Ahmed habite en Arabie Saoudite. Arabie Saoudite. Il est saoudien. Il est saoudien. Okay. The last. Ils habitent en dash. Ils sont dash. So the word is America. Amérique is the French word. États-Unis is also the another word for America. But here we are writing Amérique. Ils habitent en Amérique. Ils sont américains. Plural. Américains. You won't understand this before you watch that video which is given in the description. तो बच्चों पहले वो वाली वीडियोस देखो जो डिस्क्रिप्शंस पे दी हैं, उसको ढंग से समझो, लर्न करो और उसके बाद ही इन एक्सरसाइजेस पे जंप करो, अदरवाइज यू वोंट बी गेटिंग एनी ऑफ इट. ओके, सो यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट और हैव अ स्निप ऑफ इट. So now in question number 1, I have given you the answers. So basically these are the nationalities and the adjectives which is given to you, and now you need change it in feminine. So what is the word for chinois? What is chinois? It's Chinese. It's chinoise in feminine. Italien, italienne. Japonais, japonaise. Anglais, anglaise. Mauvais, mauvaise. Grand, grande. So we are just adding an extra E here, but in Italian, one E, one N and one E. So it's Italian, Japanese, England, So it's Angleterre. The nationalities of England is Anglais. So English people basically. Mauvais, mauvaise is bad. Grand, grand, big. Mass, mass. Same, because E is already there in masculine word. So we are not adding an extra E in feminine. So it's mass, mass. Mass means thin. Patla, thin. Bon, bon, which means good. Grow, gross, fat. Grow, fat for boy. Mota ladka. Gross, moti ladki. Okay. So let's move to our next exercise. Now in question number 3, you need to add être verb after the subject. So it's je dash grand. I dash big. I am big. So what's am? Je suis. You are. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Vous êtes. So I guess nous is missing. I'll write nous also. Nous sommes grands. So it's S. Vous êtes grands. Ils sont grands. Elles sont grands. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So it's I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, you are, they are. Okay, that's question number 3. I have given you the description of the link which explain whole être verb. Okay, you can take the screenshot. So now in question number 4, you need to change the sentences into feminine forms. So these are the phrases which were given in your book. So you need to rewrite the phrases as feminine. I am giving you the answer. Let's try it out together. Il est japonais, which means he is Japanese. If I need to speak that in feminine form, I'll say elle est japonaise. Okay, so he is Japanese, she is Japanese. Tu es saoudien, tu es saudienne. You are Saudian, you are Saudian, which is in feminine also, with an extra N and E. Ils sont américains, elles sont américaines. They are American, they are American, which is in they masculine, they feminine, and extra E and S in feminine. Nous sommes chinois, we are Chinese. Nous sommes chinoises, nous sommes chinoises. So what I have done? Extra E and S. Here also extra ES, extra NE, extra E. Ils sont français, ils sont français. Elles sont françaises. So they are French, they are French. Masculine they, feminine they. Okay? You can take a screenshot first. So basically guys, in question number 5, you can see different kind of pictures. A dog, a small boy, a small girl. So basically you need to describe them. So here you can see they have given you the hints of Chocolat d'Oiseau. So they are saying the name of the dog is Chocolat. In French, chocolat means chocolate, but here the name of the dog is Chocolat. Chocolat d'Oiseau. Okay, so now we need to describe this dog. How we will be doing it? Il s'appelle Chocolat. Il a 2 ans. So what does that mean? He is called Chocolate. He is 2 years old. Il est grand. He is big. Il est bon. He is good. Okay, let's come to the next picture, which is a boy. What are the hints which is given to you? That is Philippe. Philippe, 14 years, Lyon, France. So the name of this boy is Philippe. He is 14 years old. He lives in Lyon, which is in France. How are we going to describe it? Il s'appelle Philippe. Il a 14 ans. He is called Philippe. He is 14 years old. Il est grand. He is big. Il est mince. Mince means he is thin. Il habite à Lyon, France. He lives in Lyon, which is in France. Il est français. He is French. Okay. Now let's move towards our next picture, which is of Neha, who is 8 years old and who lives in Delhi, which is in India. Let's start. Here, the last description, which was of a girl, I've already shown you the picture. So she called herself as Neha. Her name is Neha. Elle a 8 ans. Elle a 8 ans. She is 8 years old. Elle est petite. She is small. Elle est grosse. She is fat. Elle habite à Delhi en Inde. She lives in Delhi in India. Elle habite à Delhi en Inde. Elle est belle. She is beautiful. Elle est indienne. Elle est indienne. So it's Indian. She is Indian. Okay. So we are done with question number 5. Now let's move toward our next exercise. Let's start. Okay. So now, okay, you can see in question number 6, say if it is true or false, vrai or faux. So the first sentence is Je suis saoudien, j'ai un ami français, nous habitons au Sri Lanka, je suis grand, j'ai maman. So basically, your teacher will make you listen an audio, and out of that audio you will put right or wrong. Vrai or faux means right or wrong. So I'm not going to teach you this. We will be stepping to our next question, that is question number 7. Here you need to rearrange the sentences. The jumble sentences are given to you and you need to rearrange it. Okay. So first is, I'm telling you the answers. Nous sommes américains. Next is, il est grand means he is big. We are American. Ils sont beaux means they are handsome. Vous êtes mince means they are you are thin. Tu es bon, you are good. Okay, so we are done with question number 7. If you want to take a screenshot, guys, you can take it. Okay, guys, so the last part of the exercise is question number 8 and question number 9. So guys, in question number 8, they have conjugated être verb incorrectly. You need to correct that as per the subjects. Okay, so basically आप देखोगे कि il के जगह il suis लिखा होगा और il som लिखा होगा, which is incorrect. You need to put the correct conjugation here. So I have given you the correct answer. So let's move toward the questions. What they have given, they have written il suis. So il suis is not correct. We will write il est indien. Nu की जगह z लिखा हुआ है, nu z, which is incorrect. वो के साथ z होता है, right? Nu के साथ तो नहीं होता. Nu som is the correct one. Nu som Italian. We are Italian. Je के साथ क्या लिखा हुआ है? Je est français. No, je suis français. Je suis français is the correct sentence. Ils sont लिखा हुआ है. No, ils sont is the correct answer. Ils sont only. Last, elle est लिखा हुआ है plural l के साथ. Plural l के साथ a लिखा हुआ है, which is not correct. Singular l के साथ तो a आता है, plural l के साथ a नहीं आता है. उसके साथ sont आता है. Elles sont chinoises. They are Chinese. You know the meaning of these sentences? He is Indian. We are Italian. I am French. They are English. They are Chinese. Okay, so what says question number 9? You need, okay, some adjectives are given to you. You need to tell the opposite of that adjectives. For example, the first sentence is il est grand. He is big. What is the opposite of big? Small. What is small? Petit. Il est petit. And if it is feminine, so हम एक extra e लगा देंगे. Il est petite. Next, elle est grosse. She is fat. So what is the opposite of fat? Thin. So mince. Elle est mince. Vous êtes bon. You are good. If I want to say you are bad, what I'll say? Vous Z, muove. Vous êtes mauvais. Ils sont gros. He is fat. Plural. Plural. Ils sont minces. So add an extra S. Ils sont minces. Next. Il est laid. Il est laid. Laid means ugly. What is opposite of ugly? Beautiful. Il est belle. No. What we will say? Il est beau. Il est beau. He is handsome. He is ugly. He is handsome. So now we are at the end of today's session. If you have any doubt in any of the topics today, you can comment on the section below. As soon as I watch your comments, I will give you the reply immediately so that your queries will be resolved as soon as possible. Okay. So guys, if you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe. And I'll meet you in the next session in lesson number 5. Au revoir, à bientôt.